As the main supplier of mini pressings and sub-assemblies, a new chapter has begun for the Swindon plant in its 55-year history. About 90% of the pressings and almost 80% of the sub-assemblies, such as doors and closures for Mini, are produced in Swindon. From 2004 to 2006, around £60 million was invested in the preparation for Mini production. The plant, with its 1,000 associates, has gone through an extensive restructuring and modernization program. It works with the very latest pressings and sub-assembly technology in accordance with the high standards of the BMW Group. Plant Swindon produces 280 different pressed parts for the new Mini body shell. 16 fully automated press lines, including 3 coil blanking lines, are used for production, incorporating a total of 50 modernized individual presses. The pressing power of the presses ranges from 400 up to 5,000 tons. All presses have been thoroughly revised, automated and equipped with the latest electronic control systems for the production of the Mini. The appropriate press is used in each case according to the size and complexity of the pressing involved. The front and rear closures on the Mini, for example, are pressed into shape on the longest pressing line, involving a total of 6 pressing stages, from a flat piece of steel plate all the way to the fully pressed, moduled and shaped outer skin. On the Mini Clubman, particularly large body components such as the roof with its dune lines and the side panels go through a 4-stage large area press with a pressing force of 5,000 tons. In all, more than 140 welding and handling robots are used in the highly automated production of complete body components such as the doors and closures. 20 of these robots build the club door and the split door for the Mini Clubman. Inside the body shop, computerized robots assemble more than 400 individual body panels for the 3 core Mini models: Hatch, Clubman and New Convertible. The robots apply numerous spot welds to the Mini body shell, ensuring a rigid body structure. This is the key to Mini's legendary go-kart feel, as well as its award-winning safety protection. The individual body components are fitted together automatically, using high-precision welding and handling robots. More than 500 of these robots work throughout the body shop, and about 80 have been added specifically for the production of the Mini Clubman. Body shell production capacity and flexibility at Plant Oxford has further increased through close cooperation within the Mini production triangle. Production of sub-assemblies has been moved to Plant Swindon, and the body shop in Oxford has also been extended. The different body models can be produced in any sequence. In addition to the body variants of the Mini, the extended body shop also has the flexibility to cater for the extra numbers of body variants of the Mini Clubman. Applying more than 4,000 individual welding spots, the robots put each body together to ensure a high standard of stability and rigidity. In some cases, 8 robots work on one body at the same time on 3 different levels. Programmable inline measurement robots mean that production engineers can check different areas on a body shell for dimensional precision during the production process. Quality assurance in the body shop is ensured by integrated perceptron laser measuring stations and inline measuring robots working to an accuracy of 0.05 millimeters. This is half the diameter of a human hair and an accuracy that guarantees absolutely precise measurements on each individual body. One of the highlights of the Mini Clubman is the innovative door concept, making this unique car a very special 5-door model. Apart from the conventional driver's and front passenger's door, it also features an additional rear hinge door on the right-hand side of the car and a 2-wing split door at the rear. The doors are a reinterpretation of an authentic detail that could be found on the Mini's classic 4Runners. Before paint is sprayed onto the Mini, the body shell needs to be pre-treated and electrocoated. During pre-treatment, the bodies get cleaned thoroughly, activated, and are then ready for the electrocoat layer to be applied to protect the car from corrosion. After the E-coat layer has cured in the E-coat oven, robots seal the underbody of the car with PVC to protect it from stone chips and corrosive material like road salt. All versions of the Mini go through the paint shop process together. They benefit from all the advantages of the innovative Integrated Paint Process, IPP, which was introduced for the first time worldwide at Plant Oxford in 2006. Compared with conventional methods in paint application, IPP technology skips the process of applying and burning into the primer surfacer coat. Instead, the primer surfacer function is integrated into one of 2 newly developed layers of base coat. In the so-called wet-in-wet application of the 2 layers, the first layer takes on all functions and properties of the primer surfacer, while the second layer of the base coat provides the necessary optical qualities such as color, effect, and depth. In the paint shop, high-tech robots apply the Mini colors to the body shell with the highest precision. IPP technology makes a positive contribution to Plant Oxford's environmental objectives by omitting the primer surfacer, normally containing solvent, and significantly reducing the consumption of materials and energy in the paint shop. Customers can order their Mini in 14 exterior colors and can opt for a contrasting roof. All body variants can be painted in random sequence in any of the exterior colors. Depending on the customer's request, the roof is painted in a contrasting color by robots in a special paint process. This finish option is unique to Mini. All painted Mini bodies go through a thorough inspection and polishing process before they are sent to the cavity waxing area, where wax is applied to all hollow box sections of the body shell to protect them from corrosion. As a final step, the painted bodies are sent to the painted body store, where a constant stock of up to 600 bodies waits to be picked just in sequence for assembly. Officially opened near Birmingham in 2001, Hams Hall is the BMW Group's center of competence for the production of 4-cylinder petrol engines. In 2006, around £30 million was invested in the plant, with its 800 associates, for the production of the Mini engines. The production of the Mini engines extended the product range of BMW engines and has taken annual total production volume to a new level. Production at Plant Hams Hall features some of the most advanced technology. This includes an innovative valve control system, ensuring optimum power and performance in the 4-cylinder on the Mini 1, the Mini Cooper and the Mini Cooper Clubman. A further outstanding achievement is the twin scroll technology, ensuring an immediate response of the turbocharged power unit in the Mini Cooper S and the Mini Cooper S Clubman. Hams Hall delivers the Mini engines just in sequence for maximum efficiency in final assembly at Plant Oxford. During the assembly phase, some 2,400 components are fitted to create a fully customized Mini. The convertible, which was introduced in March 2009, contains an additional 740 components. There are nearly 400 different interior trim and over 300 different exterior options for Mini. It is therefore extremely unlikely that two identical Minis will leave the plant within the same production year. All of these different customer options are built in during Mini's journey through assembly. The plant has also pushed its technological boundaries even further by producing more than 500 electric Mini E for field trial testing. Mini assembly at Plant Oxford provides a user-friendly working environment. Wooden skillets on the assembly line and rotary slings allow the car to be raised, lowered and turned around by up to 90 degrees for ergonomic and quality benefits. Mini has enjoyed worldwide success since its launch in 2001. Around 80% of Minis are built to individual customer order, and cars are exported to more than 80 countries around the globe, from Chile to China. To build a Mini, up to 18 main modules are delivered to the assembly line just in sequence, meaning exactly at the right time and in the right order, depending on the customer request. These modules include the engines, the complete front module together with the headlights, bumper and cooling system, the integrated door modules, seats and the cockpit. The new convertible has a new single-piece roll bar system and has its soft top fitted in assembly. At the end of the assembly line, when the ignition is switched on for the first time, the heart of Mini starts to beat. A comprehensive sequence of tests is also conducted after assembly, including a driving test on a rolling road and a wide range of electronic tests. To carry out these tests, associates use wireless and portable handheld computers to identify the car by scanning its chassis number, as well as specific predetermined test requirements. State-of-the-art facilities are available on-site at the Quality and Engineering Center for testing and checking product and production processes. Apart from a test track with different road surfaces, these include a hydraulic vibration tester, a rain and climate chamber, and an acoustic dynamometer, where the Mini is examined and tested under laboratory conditions while driving, if necessary, all the way to top speed.